Hey, it's your Geli Mamma here, and today I'm working with the fabulous Kiki London. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do this easy nail art for beginners, autumn leaves. So after you have prepped your nail ready for a gel manicure and applied a base coat, you want to go ahead and apply 2 coats of this gorgeous sort of nude gel polish, and obviously curing between each layer in your lamp. So I'm applying this colour to the middle and the ring finger. And for the other nails, I'm going to be providing this gorgeous Go Khaki green polish. So this was from their autumn collection last year. So again, apply 2 nice even coats of this colour to your nail and then cure in the lamp. So on the nudie nails, I'm going to be coming in and applying this Golden Lab gel polish, which is from their platinum collection. So I'm just getting a sort of detailer brush, and I'm just sort of putting like, I want to say blob, but that doesn't sound very arty, but that's what it is. I'm just basically providing like a patch of this, sort of not completely covering the nail, because obviously this is a bit more of a different texture to normal polishes. I'm just sort of like putting it in a bit of an oval shape in the end. That's what kind of worked easier for me. And then I kind of wanted a bit of a jagged look. So before I cured it in the lamp, I just came in with some isopropyl alcohol and a cleanup brush and just provided those sort of like little jagged edges that I wanted. It was just easier to do it this way than trying to hand draw it. So that's been cured in the lamp. So I'm coming in with the Go Khaki now, and I am going to be doing a leaf shape. So they're fairly easy to do. It's kind of a bit of a sort of like a diamondy shape, and then I'm filling it all in like so, and just, you know, making sure it's all nice and neat. And then at the bottom of the nail, I'm just going to sort of add like a half a leaf shape, and again filling in, and then curing that in your lamp. So I'm coming in now with their black polish, which is called Black Heart, and I am basically going to just do an outline of the leaves. So, you know, just nice gentle strokes, don't push down too hard. That way it will be a little bit thinner, like so. And then basically I'm just going to be providing the lines that you will get on a leaf shape. So this is sort of really easy to do, and obviously because it's only little lines, you know, it's not going to be that difficult to achieve even using it with the gel polish. So then in between the 2 leaves, I'm kind of doing like a bit of I don't know, like a twig with berries is probably how I would describe it. So just, you know, have a play around with the lines. It doesn't have to be exactly how I'm doing it. This is obviously, I'm just showing you how I created this design. And then I'm coming in with a small dotting tool and basically just putting like thick dots, well, not thick dots, but, you know, medium-sized dots on the end of the sort of twigs. And then I'm coming back in and just basically providing even smaller dots, so don't press too hard down on the dotting tool, and just sort of like, you know, dotting that around what I've already done. So I've gone ahead and applied a matte top coat off camera. Then I'm coming in with the glossy top coat, and I just wanted to provide a few like water droplets. So obviously this is optional, you don't have to add that, but I sort of really liked how it looked. So you provide like the one layer, then cure that in the lamp, and then to sort of build it up, you come in and add a second layer until you're happy with the end result. So this is how it all looks together. So I just thought it was really, really nice. Kind of like this colour blocking is quite popular now. So I quite like the colour block of the gold in the background with the greeny leaves over the top. So let me know your thoughts on this mani, if you would wear it. Tag us in your recreations on Instagram. So until next time, take care. Bye.